Hi there, it's Heather. Welcome to my project share and quick tutorial on how I made this felt 50th birthday card, a very special card for a special occasion and a very special lady. I started by stamping the word happy birthday on some cotton twill tape. I used Ranger Archival Black and also a free stamp. I chose a lovely soft mint green felt backing and I used my wavy edged rotary cutter, which made a lovely wavy edge but also almost like rickrack. Now I wanted to layer it up and add lots of different textures and colours, so I did use some real rickrack, and also I used an oval that I had made previously and stitched, and lots of die cut elements like the big 50, and I also wanted to add a bit of sparkle, so I used some beads but also some lovely sparkly thread, which you'll see in a minute. To stop everything from moving around, I used a Pritt stick, which is just a glue stick, and then if I needed some extra strength I used the 3-in-1. So I stitched around some of the elements, like the rickrack I used gold, and then I used this lovely, it's actually pinker in real life, this sparkly Gutermann thread, and I stitched around the 50, and that just added a little bit of extra sparkle. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up if you don't mind, and that helps the video to spread to other people. Thanks very much. So once I'd stitched all the way around the 50, I glued the oval in place. I didn't want to add any extra stitching to it, so to make sure that it was held firmly in place, I used the 3-in-1 craft glue. Now the holes for the seed beads are so tiny that I had to change my needle at this point and use a needle threader, because I don't know about you, but I can't see to thread a needle anymore. I also added some sparkly green thread, and I added some little kisses, little crosses down one side, and then added some green seed beads down the other side, and I just thought that looked really pretty and added a little bit of an extra twinkle. So having all that together, I wanted the colours to pop a little bit more, so I decided to layer it onto my friend's favourite colour, which is purple. She loves amethyst. So I used again a rotary cutter which had a wavy edge, and just to make sure that it stayed where it's supposed to, I added the 3-in-1 craft glue and then firmly stuck it in place onto the purple card and just made sure that that was firmly in place. To add a little bit of extra dimension, I used the Sizzix foam tape. I always use this because it really does hold it in place. So this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed seeing this very short tutorial, and if you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.